Scrunchy, say hey to my YouTube fam. What's up? And this is why I can't finish my hair. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am Tatiana, or you can call me Tati. And this video today is a long overdue on retying. Y'all, I'll show you. Like, you could barely see my roots. Like, where are they? I've already done like the sides and back of my hair. And so
now back to that steak in the table.
All that's left is just this top part. And so that is what we're going to be getting into today. Guys, I am going to go ahead and section my hair off camera, but don't worry. I'll come back and show you guys how I did it and show you guys what it looks like when I do section my hair off. All right, bye. Alright guys, so these are the tools we're going to be needing for our retie today. You're going to need your lock tool, any kind, big clips, alligator clips, or scrunchies. Next, we are going to be on our oil, and these are some oils that are in this oil mixture bottle right here. Now we're moving on to our spray bottle, our smaller clips, and the rat tail comb. Alright you guys, I'm back. I am up close and personal now so that you guys can get a good look at what I'm doing. And so, like I said, I did the back. So I sectioned this whole section off that I did here. And I did the first row of my front here. And then this is just hair I leave off my baby hair. So don't even pay attention to that. Okay, I'm gonna go across because I think you guys will be able to see it a lot better. Get some alligator clips so I can clip this section back. So just gonna clip that. And as you can see guys, my parts are not straight anymore because of all of my new growth. And I honestly, I don't really care for super straight parts. I just want them to look clean when they're done. Like, they don't have to be like roll. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, you have locks, in my opinion. You have locks. They're not normally super uniform. Everyone is not the same size. So I spray my roots, and then I go in just with some oil here. I'm gonna get started on the parting. Usually you can just tell where your original parting was and just, you know, follow that as best as you can. Alright y'all, so boom, this is it. Not perfect, but okay. Alright, I'm gonna pin this back because we're just gonna be working on this side for right now. So I usually start out and then work my way in. I grab my tool. Let me see if I can.
Hold up, wait a minute. Wow.
Okay, so it looks like a little plastic sewing needle. I got it was longer. I just burned it down to where it was short enough for my locks to fit and go in and out without my lock coming out of this little tiny little hole. So yeah, I love it. So guys, I do the 4-point rotation. Sometimes that can be a little confusing, so I'll just show you. It's better to show you than to try and explain it. I'll show you guys from inside. So I have my lock. I'm going to make a loop. You can grab it, wrap it around your finger and loop it, however you want to loop it. So I'm going to loop it, stick the hair loop through the needle's loop, or the needle's eye. So it's going in and out. Then I'm going to bring my needle over towards, I'm going to take it over towards my left. So going over to my left. Then I'm going to go upwards, bringing the needle all the way to the start of the lock, because I want it to knot right at that lock. I don't want any gaps. So then I'm gonna go over towards my left and go to the right. And then last but not least, I'm gonna take it down the middle, leaving my lock to fall towards my face. After that, I just wrap the excess hairs coming out of the lock around the lock, and voila. Make sure you guys do not tie it too tight or this will happen. Like, ripped out all my little hairs here along my hairline because I did it too tight. So guys, do not do it too tight. Okay, so we're moving on to the next one. That part is pretty okay straight for me. So now I'm gonna grab my hair towards the end of my lock, loop it, and put it through the eye of the needle. Bring the tip of the needle to the base of the scalp, and I'm gonna be going from right to left. I'm going to be pulling all the way up and pulling through. Do that again. So now I'm gonna go from bottom to top. Making sure my needle is at the very start of the lock and not at the base of my scalp. So here at where the lock starts, I'm gonna pull it through. Then I'm gonna go here, the base, trying to stay in the center of that box. Pull it through again. I'm gonna go from top to bottom. Pull it down, boom, and now it's laying in my face. I'll go ahead and finish his head up, and after I do, I'll come back. It may be tomorrow. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. And hopefully I'll be able to finish by tonight. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hey y'all, what's up? So I was not able to post the video next day of my retie for my 6-month lock. I've been really busy, started school during internship. I took a trip to California, so I'm a little bit more chocolatey. But this is a retie nonetheless. I did my retie the exact same this time around. And what I'm showing you now is 7 months locked. So it's about a month later than when I initially recorded this video. But like I said, I retie my hair the exact same way, no changes, just different time periods. But enjoy, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, hope I get to see you guys soon. Bye.